Hi! Hi, baby! Hi! Are you stuck? Are you stuck? Come on. There you go. Jump! 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 Okay, jump! Jump! Come on! You can do it. You got me 20 views before. Actually more, like 40. Come on! Hi, baby. Hi. Jump. Missy. That's Sammy. Okay. That's my mom, Tammy, mowing the lawn. I'm out here picking up sticks so she doesn't run over anything. But she just ran over something, so I guess that's not the point of it. But anyways, so that's what I'm doing. Picking up sticks, throwing them. I think I might even get rid of these blackberries so they don't get too big. Blackberries, go away! It's yard work day and then we get to have a barbecue. Hi, baby! Hi, baby! Hi! Here's my baby girl. Here's my baby girl. Here's the baby girl. Hi. Make say hi. That's Missy. Oh. She waved to you guys. Let's go say hi to Sammy. Since she doesn't say hi, I gotta say hi. But I'm all fascinated with the dog. Nikki, come here. Sammy, say hi, baby. Say hi. He's my timid dog. He's my timid dog. Hi. Happy-go-lucky dog. Hi. Yep, that's Sammy. And where's Nikki? Nikki, come here. Come here, Nikki. You guys remember the Pomeranian? They're called mine, but really it's not. My dog. Come here. Come here. Look at her. Look at her. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, say hi to the camera. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna go see if there's anything else to do, any other chores to do. So, yep. Love you. Bye. This is gonna be a short video, but I'm gonna make another one probably at the barbecue. Okay, bye.